hard, but you won't do nothing about it. Stuff for these bros, but you won't do nothing about it. I pulled your card and you won't do nothing about it. If I was off guard, you wouldn't do nothing about it. You acting hard, but you won't do nothing about it. Stuff for these bros, but you won't do nothing about it. I pulled your card and you won't do nothing about it. If I was off guard, you wouldn't do nothing about it. Do we have a problem? Do we have a problem? I see these niggas watching. Do we have a problem? Do we have a problem? I see these niggas. Do we have a problem? I don't think we got no problem. Big.
Okay, it's official. Number 34 is literally unstoppable in the NFL. Richard Peterson. Surrounded by Broncos. And just books it all the way down the sideline for 6. That guy in the background, though. It's like mimicking the referee. Let's watch. Yeah. Yay. And the Bulldozer makes another highlight film run going up against the Panthers in week 14. He gets some good blocks and he looks like he could go all the way. Look at that puny defender just throwing him off of and then number 24, also known as, I'm trying to see his name, back up one more time, Norman. We carry him for like 10, maybe 5 yards on that play. Let's look at that. And then he just drags us down and we are on. Yeah, do your little dance. Oh damn. The legend is here. This is his house, and he's expected to make sure everyone knows it. Now, as a running back, they're not really known for catching and running it. But for this play, made him the most famous. And then just made number 24 look stupid on that juke. Oh snap. And he just gets in the end zone. The Bulldozer. In the first play going against the Colts in the conference round, it looked like it was about to be picked off, but he reached in and made sure that his team had it. But for some reason, number 41 was not really looking to pick it off at all. But instead, he made number 28 look stupid as well. But I'm not gonna lie, he looks pretty freaking fresh. Let's look how fresh he looks. Oh wait, he's on a hot streak. He tackles him like that, so I think he's gonna fall. But then, have you ever seen anybody catch themselves and... Oh, I thought he did a split and caught himself, but it kind of looks like that. And then number 41 finally gets the tackle, bringing him down. Alright guys, oh wow. Anyway, alright guys, this is the conference championship round. And the only reason why I didn't show you the whole season is because this is just going to be a team, well, a guy I just show you the big games with. And you guys might also realize that this is Marshawn Peterson's father right here playing. Oh shit, that's not a late hit. Hello. This team's going to be taking a big gamble early. 4th and 12. It's only the first quarter and we're going up against the Colts, but they have Andrew Luck, so I'm not really scared, if that's the word. And we get a first down. Oh shit. So I thought I would do the videos when his dad is going to the big games, you know, conference championship to Super Bowls. So this is just gonna be the conference, and then wow, because I already did the divisional. We went up against, who did we go up against? We went up against the Steelers, and it was 10-35. He had 5 rushing TDs. And now, usually I thought that this team passes it, but ever since I started being on this team, they started running it a whole lot more. Now this is his rookie year, but he's already considered a legend. Just because he already broke the season rushing yard record, and also the touchdown record and reception record. Alright, we're gonna try and punch it up the middle. It says to go to the right side, but actually I'm gonna follow that. Dude, I thought I was tackling the defender. I was like, that makes sense. The AFC West or East, I think this is. And I've been rocking the old uniforms just because, you know, since the father been playing longer, he's technically in his highlights and in his rookie season, he's gonna be having the old uniforms. So until then, they're gonna be rocking the old uniforms. So yeah, that's why they'll be rocking the old uniforms. Until like it catches up and the sun is in here, then of course I'm making them wear the newer uniforms. And ooh. And to be honest, just throughout the whole season, we've been running it 96% of the time. And it just like conjuggled up in there when we were trying to do the hurry up, and I was trying to get a block. But we've been having a great season. We are. Actually, you'll find out what we are after this game, to be honest, because shit. Oh hell no, I'm not gonna be blocking. Alright, I'll do this play. And we held on to it. Oh yeah, we already have the 2-minute warning in the second quarter. So we're doing the hurry up. And he, okay. How many people can say in their rookie season they made it to a Super Bowl? And also to be to say that the one that did lead this team to a Super Bowl. Because all we do is have rushing touchdowns now. And when I usually play, I usually like pick to be a QB because, I don't know. I just love to throw when I used to play as a QB. Do we get it first? We got it first. Yes, we did.